Ragtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1967 Ford Mustang convertible. C-code car, so 289 V8 underneath the hood. Now has a Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. The iconic Mustang grille. Has had a repaint to red, black interior. Check out the still pictures. You'll want to take a good look at the undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing. Torque thrust style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Technician did note brakes are 90% in the front there and 90% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Also noted there was a lot of new front end components, leaf springs, rear. So some new components on the underside. There's a few blemishes here and there. I'll try to point some of them out as we get around, but it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Of course, bucket seats, does have an armrest and cup holders that's been added. Black vinyl. Aftermarket retro sound style radio, and that is working. As you can see by these clips here, this is a manual top, and I'll fold that up. We'll check out the condition of that in a bit. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it runs out too. Luggage rack, chrome in the rear, dual exhaust, front to rear. It will come with a convertible top cover. That does show a few wear spots on it. You know, there's one right there, but would still serve the purpose. A few miscellaneous parts. It's like radial bezel, shifter bezel, knob, rear view mirrors, repair manual, some extra seat belts, car cover, California Duster. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, here was one little spot where we kind of had a little dinger right there, a little scuff. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. It's been a little touch-up along here. Oh, there is one in the rear now. I remember where I wanted to show you. Has had some previous work, and it's showing a little bit. It was right at this corner right there. Like I said, get in it, drive it, have some fun. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels. You'll be able to see the carpeting in the still pictures underneath the floor mats. Nice shape. Driver's seat got a little bit of lean to it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, the radio is working. Now you can hear it too. Top of the dash looking good. Little rumble coming out of that 289. Tech also did note there's a slight valve cover seat. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's listen to it. Sounds good, nice throaty exhaust note. I think I can get this hood open one-handed here. Let's check turn signal indicators in the hood ones too while we got her going. They are working. Very cool. All right. Underside of the hood. And of course, engine bay. C-code car, 289 power. 4-barrel Edelbrock on it now. Power steering, power brakes. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Alright, let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. We'll check out the condition of that, wrap up this walk around, have Jason take it for a spin. Alright, so manual convertible top, one person can fold it up with ease and latch it. Probably takes all of a minute and a half, including rolling up the windows. So I rolled up the side glass, you can see how that fits. So black vinyl. Little bit of separation back there. If we needed to keep you out of the sun or dry though, I don't think it's going to have a problem doing that. And I have a feeling prior owner as well as the next owner probably hasn't had that top up a whole lot. Using it with the top down. Side glass on the passenger side. Also get a good look there and a nice tight fit above the windshield again. 1967 Ford Mustang convertible C-code 289 car. Call us 507-386-1726. Make sure you get a good look underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford Mustang convertible, and we have the top down today on this beautiful summer day. This is an automatic on the floor. Red Mustang, black interior, convertible, what more can you ask for? The wipers work on this car. Turn signal works. Lovely rumble coming out the back of the car. Gasoline is showing 3/4 of a tank on the gauge. Our speedometer appears to be working. We're doing about 52.3 miles an hour. There is a clock here in the center. I do not see it counting, but clock equipped. The temperature gauge is about 1/4 of the way up from cold. Oil pressure is 2/3 of the way up from low. And the alternator gauge is right in the middle. The digital radio in the dash. Black bucket seats, center console custom with cup holders and storage. You do miss cup holders sometimes when you're driving the classics. In this car, you've got them. Wood, vintage looking steering wheel with finger grooves on the back. Mustang emblem in the middle. The brakes feel good. Corners easily, and it actually stays pretty flat in the corners as well, which means good cornering, good handling. Fun to drive 1967 Ford Mustang. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.